a tad long ago, but I do remember at Bay FM with Brian Adams. It's 17 past 11. We've got Sinoux and, of course, Madonna Guy, and we're talking with New Leaf Natural Therapies, and we're talking about I've forgotten the term again, but it's like intuition, energy, yeah?
How everything is energy and how we unknowingly absorb it ourselves, take on things that aren't ours. So.
And what do you do about
Well, for example, Sinoux was seeing a chiropractor many years ago, and then once she found kinesiology, not with me, through another practitioner, she realised that a lot of the stuff that she was doing, she was thinking it was very physical, because that's what people think. So people get headaches, people get pain, people assume that pain in their body is a physical thing, but sometimes it's energetic. So
The perfect example was I was having a lot of pain in my shoulder blade all the time. And I was going to the chiropractor every day for weeks and weeks. Through kinesiology, and again, not realising then that I am an empath and sensitive to energy, and you would speak at yourself and go, I feel like there's a knife in my back. And through kinesiology, well, energetically there was. It was actually somebody that I was working with. We both started at the same time. She actually wanted the job that I had. And she was given a different opportunity, but because she was really not happy about that, her
energy.
It actually started the night before I started. I went from feeling great to not sleeping. I got to work the first day, fell down the stairs. Energetically, that is someone like pushing you out. So just being aware what you speak as well. Saying I feel like there's a knife in my back, and often is. And then through kinesiology.
I look like Michelle Pfeiffer. Yeah. They say that a lot. People often get me confused. I've got a good face for radio. So it's called again?
being an empath.
Empath,
Yeah.
okay.
And everyone probably has a certain amount of it and they're unaware. Some people come into the clinic and say, I'm an empath, and then they're relieved when we know what it is, because other practitioners don't know what it is and don't know how to help them. So, for example, if you've got anxiety and depression, but especially when things lift and go away and then you can be absolutely perfectly fine and then it comes back again, what have you been doing that's actually allowed this energy to come back in again? It's an awareness. It's we just thought we wanted to throw it out there as an awareness. It's like, because even my hubby jokes about things the other day. We were watching a TV show and something really crappy happened in a hospital, and Jay said, oh, imagine the energy, that's racing around that hospital now.
He's got Madonna speak now. So we're talking to Sinoux? Sinoux. I only told you it would only take 10 minutes. And Madonna, and we're just looking after Bay Health this morning on Bay FM 100.3. Remember this, Dragon? Are you old enough? Well, I'm getting my seniors card, 20 past 11.